Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make character spacing loose in PowerPoint to normal. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides and this text is very loose. Now we want to make the text normal. At first, click inside the text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. You can select this text using the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then go to the home menu and we select the text or the character spacing. Now we can see here selected the loose option. Now we make the text normal, enable the normal option, and we can see we change or make character spacing loose to normal very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.